Be gentle. Good boy, Smeagol. Okay, Bronwyn, why don't you give him a little break? There you go. Give him a little break. Just gentle pats. Gentle pats. Oh, you got some of his hair. That's nice. Yeah, good boy, Smeagol. I know. Good boy. Yeah, you can put some hair in his mouth. Good, that's nice. There he is again. Oh, Smeagol. Be gentle. There you go. There you go. Yeah. Yeah, he likes it.